Hi, I'm Stefanie Drexler and I'm a full-time session vocalist from Austria. In my daily studio work, I sing for producers and songwriters from all over the world in various genres and styles. I'm also a music and vocal producer, and today I want to show you how I spice up my vocal productions with some simple backing vocal tricks. Tip: sometimes not singing the harmony where it's expected can do the trick. For instance, at the end of the song, where you might repeat a couple lines, maybe 3 times, you're harmonizing the first 2, and then the last one is just the lead vocal.
And if I were to dance, this will be the closest we get. Please prove me wrong, but you refuse to so far. I love you whoever you are. I love you whoever you are.
Okay, now that I have all the takes I need, let's get to the editing stage. Mixing backing vocals is actually pretty simple. I usually don't do a lot of complicated processing because it's just not necessary. First of all, I'm gonna turn off my click and everything I don't need in the mixing stage. I'm gonna unmute the tracks, and then first of all, I'm going to send them to a backing vocal bus. That way I can treat them as one, as an entity, and apply all the changes to the bus. Once the bus is created, I'm gonna name it backing vocals so I know what I'm working on. And the next step is I'll pan my backing vocal tracks left and right. I'll do it 100% hard panning. That worked well for me in most cases, and I just stick to that, but you can be creative in that spot. Then I will clean them up a little bit. Usually I go in and check all the transitions, breaths. I will cut them out, but in this case I'm just going to do some general cleaning up. As for the harmony that I chose to do mono, I'll just keep it in the middle as far as panning goes. So once I've done that, I will do some EQing of my backing vocal bus, and all I really do is cut away everything below 120 hertz, sometimes even up to 200 hertz, and just to cut away all the low frequencies that I don't really need in the mix, and that usually works great. So basically just a simple low cut. And next I usually add some compression. I don't always do that, but most of the times I just think some light compression makes everything smoother, and that usually helps. As for tuning backing vocals, I'd say it totally depends on what sound or genre you're going for. But generally speaking, I personally like my backing vocals tuned pretty hard. But I've also left some backing vocals completely untuned, and that can add a nice little human touch to the production too. Like I said, it totally depends on the genre, and I would just recommend to listen for what the song or the production needs. And as a final step, I will send my backing vocal bus into a reverb. And as I'm doing this, I usually like to listen to the whole mix, and I will see whatever sounds best. So I might turn it up or down and just pick whatever I feel like sounds the most natural. And that step really helps me blend everything nicely together. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful for your productions. And always remember, you can do it.
And if I were to dance, this will be my greatest regret. It's just so far from my planet to your star. I love you whoever you are. There is a place in hell for fools who let these sacred opportunities